When you think of home security, what comes to mind? The peephole, the chain lock, maybe the classic stark warning. But you were probably thinking a bit more high-tech. Introducing eufyCam, the first of its kind home security system that gives you everything you want with none of the hassles. No need for wires and no need to deal with frequent battery changes. 365 days of battery life. We partnered with Anchor to put their most advanced battery technology inside the eufyCam, and by using a low-frequency transmission signal to stay connected on standby mode, saving energy by up to 70%. eufyCam will keep on working for up to a year without needing to be recharged. With the adjustable ball-shaped mount, eufyCam can be positioned and repositioned. Use either the single screw mounting base or skip the mounting hardware. The magnetic 1080p HD camera will just stick to all kinds of metal surfaces. Bam. eufyCam withstands temperature changes and moisture, so you really can put it just about anywhere. Motion triggered and Wi-Fi connected, eufyCam sends you a notification when someone's at the door or someone's on the sofa. Even when someone is raiding the fridge, the artificial intelligence uses a three-phase system to ensure you see what you want to see and ignore what you don't. Step 1, it's able to screen out movement that doesn't have a heat signature using an infrared sensor. Step 2, it detects human body shapes in various positions. And Step 3, facial recognition technology allows eufyCam to recognize faces of people you want to give clearance to or keep a closer eye on. So just set your preferences to send an alert when it matters and ignore it when it doesn't. Oh yeah, and it has two-way audio. Brian, step away from the pizza. We are the first to put an SD card into a home base, securely storing 60 days of footage locally. No need to go to the cloud. No upcharges or monthly contracts. We've built an amazing system that's ready to go right out of the box. Easy to set up yourself without compromising security. No one else is offering a wireless camera with a year of battery life, and eufyCam just keeps getting better by the day.
Introducing SMONET wireless security camera systems. SMONET offers a range of different camera kits, allowing you to choose the one that best fits your needs. The SMONET wireless security camera system includes high-definition, night vision, flexible cameras that would allow you to monitor multiple rooms in your house from your mobile device.
It was really important to us to have a safe and secure environment for our kids, so I decided to take a look at security camera systems. I needed a high-resolution night vision camera system that would monitor multiple rooms in our house as well as our garden. Setting up the system was quick and easy, and I was happy with the final results. The system allows me to monitor my house from my smartphone whenever I want.
With the SMONET smartphone app, you can view your cameras anytime and anywhere you want. SMONET security systems are easy to set up and easy to use. Setting up the system is simple. Attach the cameras to your desired location and power on the system. Connect the NVR to your home wireless router and plug in the output video to a monitor or a TV. Navigate to System Setup and make sure that the system is online and the network status is healthy. Download a free app called IP Pro or EC Cloud from Android Google Play or Apple App Store. Register a new account, then add your device ID. That's it. You're ready to monitor your cameras from your mobile device. The system allows you to monitor your camera feed by using Wi-Fi or cellular network. The SMONET camera app gives you the flexibility of controlling and monitoring your security camera system from a distance, allowing you and your family to feel safe and protected. Your security is our main priority.
Please point the QR code towards the camera lens and wait for the scan. The pairing is successful. You can start using the camera now.
If you're interested in buying one of this product, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment, and to subscribe. As always, thank you for watching.